Hi guys, today we are going to learn about the conversion of Moore machine to Mealy machine. This is the most easiest method and it is also more important method. Let's see guys, we have only two steps here. But by learning these two steps, we can solve the entire problem. So it is very easier than the before methods which I told. Yes or no? Now guys, the first step is m equals to. These are the 6 tuples guys. In our before methods or previous methods, we just saw that 5 tuples without having this capital delta. Here we are also adding the capital delta. So here it consists of 6 tuples. This capital delta is the finite set of output symbols. These are the output symbols. So let us consider this m is the given Moore machine. Then in the second step, we need to construct the m dash. M dash means it is the Mealy machine we need to be constructed. That means here there is only one change guys, that is lambda dash. Here we just find the lambda and here we need to find the lambda dash. See guys, how to compute the lambda dash? Lambda dash is very simple. This is the qi, that means any state we can place any state and it is the input symbol. This is the input symbol that equals to lambda of delta, I mean small delta of qi comma input symbol. Let's see guys how these steps are involved in the problems. See guys, I am assuming this is the one state, I mean transition state. Let us first consume the first step, that is m equals to. These are the 6 tuples which we want to find out now from the given transition table. It will be the Moore machine. Q, first of all, compute the Q. Q means number of states. How many states we have? Q0, Q1, Q2. We have 3 states, so I wrote the states here. It is a sigma. Sigma means these are the input symbols. Find a set of input symbols. What are the input symbols, guys? A and then B. These two are the input symbols. So I wrote here. Then what is meant by capital delta? I already told you guys here. Capital delta means these are the finite set of output symbols. Output symbols means those output symbols will be written inside the state. Inside the state function. That means, see here, for Q0 we have 0. For Q1 we have 1. For Q2 we have 0. So 0 and 1 are the output symbols. Then what about Q0? Q0 is the initial state. So here what we have? Q0 as the initial state. Let's come to the second step guys. This is the first step. We just find all these things here. How to find this lambda means in the second step we will find the lambda. See guys, this is the place of the lambda. Let's see, it is very simple. In the second step, we need to draw the state transition table. This table is very much easy guys. See how to draw this. Just these are the Q means number of states and sigma means these are the input symbols. And this is the output. We can call it as the output or lambda. Then here, Q0 of A. See from the table guys. I mean a table here, transition table. Q0 of A is Q0. Q0 of B is Q1. Wrote them here. Q0 of A is Q0. Q0 of B is Q1. Then whatever the output we got, whatever the output it have to the Q0. Whatever the output have to the Q0, we are just writing that output as the whole output for the A and B. So we wrote here 0. Then let's see for Q1. Q1 of A is Q2. Q1 of B is Q1 only. Then here only let's see the output guys. For Q1 what we have? 1. Here we wrote 1. Then for Q2 guys, Q2 of A is Q0 and Q2 of B is Q2. Then what about the output it have guys? 0. So Q2 of A is Q0, Q2 of B is Q2 and then output or lambda is 0. Let's come for the third step. The third step is we just need to compute the m dash. M dash means here we need to write the lambda dash. We need to find out the lambda dash. I already told the formula for you. It should be we need to construct the Mealy machine. Lambda dash of qi comma input equal to lambda of sigma of qi comma input. Then let's count this lambda dash of, first of all, find for the q0 comma a. See here guys, lambda dash of q0 comma a is equals to lambda of small delta of q0 comma a. Then what about this small delta of q0 comma a? Here we need to compute this thing. That means you all know that how to compute the small delta of q0 comma a. See here guys, now I will say how to do this. Delta of q0 comma a means q0 of a. What we got here? Q0 comma b. That means we have q0 of b is q1. The symbol or the input symbol to which place it is going, we need to write it here. Then for q1 comma a equals to, that is q2. Then q1 comma b, that is q1 of b is itself means we need to write it. Then delta of q2 of a is q0. Then delta of q2 of b is q2. That's it guys. It is very simple. Now let's place these values in the following formula. Delta of q0 of a. What we have? Q0 we have. Just keep it here. Then see guys, lambda of q0 of a. What about this value? That means, see the table guys, lambda of q0 or q0 lambda, that is Answer is 0. What the output we have? 0 we have. So I just wrote the output here. Then let's come for the lambda dash of q naught comma b. Then here lambda of delta of q naught comma b equals to lambda of q naught comma b. What's the value, guys? Here we have q1 we have. Just replace it here. In the place of it, we are just writing q1. Then lambda of q1 from the table, lambda of q1, it is output 1. Just write the 1 here. Then next, like that only, I am just computing for lambda dash of q1 comma a, that is I got 0. That means lambda of q2, that is 0. I'm just put here, guys. So remaining things you need to compute, and it is so easy for you to get the answer. Let's come for the fourth step, guys. This is the fourth step. Here we need to draw the state transition table for MEALY machine. That means up to now this is the state transition table for the MEALY machine. And then now we are going to draw for the MEALY machine. In MEALY machine, it just have 2 columns, guys. One is next state and then another one is output. Next state and output. Let's see for it, guys. Q naught of A from the tables here. Q naught of A. What we have got? Q naught. Just wrote it here, Q naught. What about the output, guys? Output means we need to see this. Q naught of A. This is the output. This is the state. And it is the output. And it is the input symbol. This is the input symbol, output, state. See this? This is the output symbol. Just write it here, 0. Then Q naught of B. Q naught of B, that is Q1. What about the output, guys? For Q1, what's the output? We have 1. So write it there. That means Q1 of 1. I think you understood, guys. First of all, we need to write the next state. That means Q naught of A, the state we need to write here. And what's the output? This state consists of, what's the output this state have? We need to write here. For this Q naught of B, the next state is we are writing here. And then output which this state is consist, that is we are writing here. Then see for next thing, guys. See, guys, these are the outputs I just wrote now. See, Q1 of A, that is, let's check here. Q1 of A, that is Q2, and our output is 0. See, guys, what I wrote? Q1 of A output is, the next state is Q2 and output of this state is 0. I wrote here. Like that, I computed for these all things. If you want, you also can check from the state transition table. Then the last step is, it is very, very, very simple step. That is drawing the state transition diagram. See, guys, how to draw it. First of all, write the states Q1 and then Q2. Here it is the initial state. This is the initial state, guys. Just follow this table. Here Q naught of A is Q naught. Write it here. And what's the output? It has 0. Write like this. Then Q naught of B, that is Q1. This is B. What's the output? It has 1. Then Q1 of A, that is Q2. What's the output? It have 0. Q1 of B, Q1 and output is 1. B and output, I am just writing the output by side. Then Q2 of A, that is Q0 and the output is 0. Q2 of B, Q2 and the output is 0. Guys, here this is the final transition diagram. I will say another trick also, guys. Just here, first of all, see this. Here we need to remember one thing. These are the states inside. So these are the output states which are present inside. If these states are inside the state, inside with the state, combined with the state, then it will be considered as a MEALY machine. If we write these states, these output symbols outside, just see, guys, here Q0 of, output symbol also inside only. Then here, what about this? Q0's output symbol is gave outside. That means, see, guys, here I will say this. Just write the states Q1 and Q2. Guys, here won't change their directions. Everywhere, all the symbols are in their same directions. We just need to see, guys, these are the states. Now we are not at all giving any output symbols. Just now itself give the output symbols. I will say how to give. This symbol means ఇది ఇక్కడున్న 0 బయటికి వెళ్ళాలి of 0. Then ఇక్కడున్న Q0 Q1 వైపు వెళ్తుంది. That means the symbol is going through the Q1. So what is the output of Q1? That is 1. So B1 output is 1. Then what about B here? Q1 of B, the same output what it has also 1. So its output also 1. Means, guys, లోపల ఉన్న అవుట్పుట్స్ అన్ని బయట ఉన్న ఇన్పుట్ సింబల్స్కి ఇచ్చామంటే అదే మనకి వచ్చే మీలే మెషిన్. సో మీరే మెషిన్ మీన్స్ లోపల అవుట్పుట్స్ అన్ని లోపల ఉన్నప్పుడు మూరే మెషిన్ అంటారు. ఇలా లోపల అన్ని అవుట్పుట్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మూరే మెషిన్. అవే అవుట్పుట్స్ ఇలా మనం బయటకి ఇచ్చామంటే ఇప్పుడు చూడండి Q1 ఆఫ్ A, దట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు Q2. Q2 is going. That means what's output of Q2? It is 0. Guys, we need to see where it is going, guys. From not it is not coming. Just we need to see for where it is going. For B, the output is 0. And for A, the output is here. Q0 it is going. So 0. This is our MEALY mission. MEALY mission, guys. I think you all understood what I told. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any queries, then just comment in the comment section. Thank you.